Hello friends, it's Techman Pat, and today I've got something very weird for you folks. Look, I actually, living in Australia, China is very close and we get a lot of stuff from China, and I know there's a meme and a joke out there that says, made in China. But one of the things China has been really good at, is that X-Goody, or well, this company here, well, they've been making great phones. I don't know if it's great yet, but in general, China's been knocking out Android phones left, right, and center. There is 1,000 brands out there, and they're extremely popular in, well, China. Well, I guess not only China, but also in Australia. And one of the things about it is that why should you spend $1,200, $1,500 for like a brand new Samsung when you can buy maybe a OnePlus, which now is $800 to $1,000. You could buy a phone off Amazon for $300. It could potentially do exactly the same thing if you just need a phone, and you know what? Not break the bank. So this is a Chinese-made phone from a company called X-Goody. Make everything valuable. Anyway, look, apart from their lovely brand names and stuff, this is an 88 Australian dollar phone, including postage to Perth. Yes, my friends, I got the X-Goody D27 for $88. Now, there is a few caveats on this, and the reason I bought it is for Android testing, so it's nothing to do with the phone usability itself, but it is a 3G phone. I could have paid $40 more for a 4G phone, so it's still under $150. But I wanted to share this with you and unbox it, and actually, you know what? I will review it. I will tell you if it's actually worthwhile $88, because, 4G, yeah, but, what if you're not downloading stuff? To note, one of the things they said on their website is don't overload this with apps, which is interesting because, well, some people do, but I suppose Facebook Lite, Google Lite, everything Lite should be loaded on this. So let's have a look what's in the box. Well, not much on this side, but here's the phone. It's actually really big, check it out. Actually, you know what? Wait, there's this weird material on it. It's like fly screen wire. Let's have a look what it comes with. So we've got, look, it's all packaged X-Goody and stuff. Must be a pretty nice brand. I just Googled cheapest Android phones. So we've got a USB, micro USB, obviously not USB-C, but what? It's an Australian brick. It's an Australian brick, that is impressive. It is a 0.3 amp, so 5 volt, 1 amp. Input is 0.3 amp. So output is, this is a 1 amp charger. So it's pretty useless in regards to anything fancy. It's not even 2 amp. It's just terrible. All right, let's have a look at the phone. I don't think it comes with anything else. Is there anything underneath here? Is there anything? Oh, and they're giving me a cover. How thoughtful. Look at this, a little rubber cover. How thoughtful. Does this have a fingerprint scanner? It's got a fingerprint scanner. Okay, look, I didn't check the specs that well, but let's move this out of the way. I just want to have a look at this. So it's pretty light. On the back, it feels pretty crappy. Warm tips, guys. I'm going to read you guys some of the warm tips. So they're not just tips, they're warm. So not hot tips, just warm tips. So slot 1 only supports standard SIM. Slot 2 supports micro SIM. Please take out the battery and to insert SIM. Removable battery? That's amazing. Please open the back to tear off the insulation paste from battery to charge the phone. There's insulation. Okay, I'm glad I'm reading this, because if I didn't, I'd be like, why the hell isn't it not turning it on? Please press the power button and volume down button at the same time to reboot the phone system. Okay, that's different. Please charge the phone for 1 to 2 hours when the phone shut down automatically. Okay, please feel free to tear off this film, which is just for protection during the shipment. I thought it was for the warm tips you're gonna give me. So, I wonder how many people just call them up and be like, phone doesn't work. And they're like, you just need to go into the battery and like, remove it. So let's do that. Let's peel this off. Oh my God, I feel like I'm gonna break it. Yep. Oh, there it is. It's just a cover. I don't remember. You know what? When I was in high school, I would love one of these phones. And you know what? If I ever have kids, they're gonna have shit $88 phones. They're not gonna have anything special. Hell no. Oh, bugger. I should have waited. Oh, I've left a little bit on there. Oh, there you go. X-Goatee smartphone made in China. 1000 milliamp battery. Is this a 1000 milliamp? Standard 4.5. Is this 1000? No, 2500 milliamp battery. That's pretty good. So let's put that in. Slot that in. Hey, and it's got a micro SD also. Is that not going in? That's not the correct. Is that not the correct way? Okay, the sticker is actually on the wrong side, but that's okay. We've got a SIM 2, micro SD, and SIM 1. It's all there, and we've got a double cameras. Even the iPhone XR doesn't come with double cameras. How pathetic. Look at these guys in China just absolutely knocking out the competition. And we've got on the front, we've got back home menu. In emergency of low battery state causes the smartphone not be able to power on, please keep charging connected device for at least 15 minutes before doing anything. Power lock key. Hey, it feels pretty good. Up, down volume, flashlight. Flashlight? Flashlight. You've got a front flashlight for photos. Receiver, yep, that's the sound. And we've got a camera. Nothing on this side. Okay, oh, it feels, oh, do I clip it in? Oh, it's not clipped in properly, guys. All right, let's peel off the front cover. And is there another? There's a screen protector already on this, but I'm gonna take it off because I wanna experience. Oh God, is that a screen protector or is that, am I gonna peel this off and it's just gonna completely break the screen? I don't care, I wanna peel it off. I don't care for screen protectors. I get my knife. Oh, you can tell I'm excited. By the way, folks, it is Friday. It's a good day. It's a fun day to receive toys like this. So let's turn it on. Let's see what happens. X-Goatee. Powered by Android. Is this an OLED? This is not OLED. That can't be OLED. Nah, it's just LCD, but it's... I thought it was doing making things valuable. Now it's linking people. They really got to come up with one and stick to it. Whoa, no SIM card. Holy crap, this is, what? Are you serious? This feels so smooth. Oh my goodness. Oh, let's have a look at the camera. What? What is that? What was that noise? Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? I'm impressed. What is going on? How is this? Let's take a photo of my plant over here. Look at that, my friends. That's my plant. Isn't that nice? Can you see that? This is a really smooth. Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, what did I just do? Oh, you can hide the thing. There's a vibration in here every time you press this. It feels really nice. So it's been there. Let's have a look at the specs in this. So settings. Look, okay, there's a little bit of lag. I'm exaggerating, but it is pretty smooth. About the phone, let's have a look. So it's Android 7. Backup and reset. What kind of account is logged in? Accounts. There's no accounts logged in. So I guess I'm worried if I put all my account details in here, if, I don't know, China's gonna steal my details, but man, this looks really smooth. Let's have a look at the typing experience here. So, hello, how, oh, there you go, let's go text. Hello, how are you? Wow, the vibration's really weird. I can't send it obviously, but can I do swipe? Hello. No swipe, maybe because I can just install the swipe gesture one from here. So what do we got? Auto rotate, we can lock it to portrait, location, Wi-Fi, we can connect it to Wi-Fi obviously. Bluetooth, no SIM card, flashlight. Flashlight, look at that light. Let's turn that around and show the camera. Not really much there. Look, I don't know why I'm excited. I think it's just the price. Like, if you want an Android phone, $88, honestly, you got fingerprint, and for your kids, they're gonna break these left, right, and center. Is it tap to wake? No, it's not. They're gonna break these left, right, and center. And who needs to give them a brand new iPhone? They don't need it. Look at this, they can use a calculator at school. They can send text messages, they can browse the web on Site Navigator, and they can, well, you know, there's a sound recorder, there's a calendar, you can remind them on doing their homework. This is fantastic. All right, I'm gonna go off the whole thing to give this to your offsprings, but I gotta admit, this is pretty good. Let's have a look at the return camera. Oh, hello. So I'm gonna say it, this is better than an iPhone. This is absolutely better than an iPhone. I'm gonna admit it, but look, this is pretty good front-facing camera. Like, don't get me wrong, there's obviously a lot of things wrong with this phone. Don't get me wrong. But guys, thank you very much for watching on this unboxing of the Xgodi D27. I'm gonna give you guys a full review because for $88, an Android phone shipped to Australia with a fingerprint reader. Actually, you know what? Before I leave you, my friends, I'm gonna go and see if I can add my fingerprint into it. So security, face unlock. Do you see that? All right, pattern swipe, pattern pin, password, swipe face. No, it doesn't have. It doesn't have it. Oh, it doesn't have it. Swipe, face, pattern, pin, password. Honestly, it doesn't have it. That's a shame. That's an absolute shame. All right, well, on that note, on that bombshell, I'll leave you guys with it. Thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye!